Hi students, now we are going to solve one numerical problem based on the cross product of two vectors. So how to find the magnitude of the cross product also we are going to explain. So find A cross B if vector A is equal to 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. So as usual now we will write this in the component form, that is determinant form. So A vector cross product B vector. So this is in determinant form if I will write means so first one is I cap, okay, here is I cap, then here J cap and then K cap. Okay, what are the components of AX, AY and AJ? 4 minus 2, 1. So 4 minus 2, 1. I will write here 4 minus 2 and 1. Similarly, the components of B vector 5, 3 and minus 4. So this is 5, this is 3 and the last one this is minus 4. So this is now equal to I cap. I cap. So I cover this row and this column and this row. So only these four elements should be visible to me. So minus 2 into minus 4. Okay. So this is I will write like this minus 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into 3. So minus 1 into 3. So this is the first factor. Okay, the second one is what? J, minus J cap. So I am going to take minus J cap. So this column, I will hide. So that 4 into minus 4 minus of 1 into 5. So the first one is 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4 minus 1 into 5. So 1 into 5. The last one is what? Plus k cap. Okay. So this is a plus k cap into. So k. These two I will cover. So k cap into 4 into 3 minus of minus 2 into 5. So this is 4 into 3 minus of, okay, minus 2 into 5. So minus 2 into 5. So once again you have to recheck because this may mislead us. So we have to be very careful here. So I am going to check once again. I cap into minus 2 into minus 4. Subtract, that is minus 1 into 3. Then I take minus J cap, so that left product minus right product. So J cap into 4 into minus 4 minus 1 into 5, correct, plus K cap into 4 into 3 minus of minus 2 into 5. So I am going to write this on the other side. So A cross B is now equal to I cap into, so minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. So this is a plus 8. Then there is a minus sign. Okay, minus sign. Then 1 into 3 is 3. Okay, step by step, carefully and slowly you proceed at the beginning. After thoroughly understanding, you can pick up the speed. Okay, students, next minus J cap is there. So this is minus J cap. Okay, and now you see 4 4s are 16. There is a minus sign. So it is minus 16. So minus J cap into minus 16. Then minus 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Last one is what? K cap. So this is a plus K cap into, okay, 4 into 3, 12. So I will write here 12 minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. So this is a minus 10, is it not? Minus of minus will become plus 10. So minus of minus is becoming plus 10. Have you understood this step? Okay. Now this is equal to, so A cross B is now equal to I cap. Okay, I will write below this so that this is I cap into 8 minus 3 is 5 minus j cap, okay, minus j cap into minus 16 minus 5, you add, it will become minus 21 plus k cap into 12 plus 10 is 22. So this is how we have to find out the components. So A cross B. So this vector A cross B is now equal to 5 I cap. Minus of minus is plus. So plus 21 J cap. Okay, 21 J cap plus 22 K cap. 22 K cap. Suppose this is the resultant vector. Okay, our problem is over because find A cross B only is asked. So this is the resultant. Suppose if you want to find the magnitude of A cross B means you can check this. Okay, the magnitude of okay, this vector A cross B. So magnitude of this vector A cross B is equal to modulus of the vector A cross B, and that is now equal to square root of these components should be squared and added. So this is 5 square, okay, plus 21 square plus 22 square, and take the square root of this. So if you do means you can find out the magnitude also. But since the magnitude is not asked here, just you learn how to find the magnitude. It is by this method. Have you understood? One more example I am going to solve now. Okay.